Hello friends, Namaste. Parents, this video every family needs to watch. Imagine a day when your child has gone to school, playing, enjoying, giggling, laughing, doing the normal work, normal routine in school, and suddenly the child collapses. What would you do? This is like the child has got no symptoms, no warnings, no prior warnings, nothing. What would you do? Why are we seeing this in kids? Can it be prevented? Please stay till the end so that I can explain to you through doctor's words, yes, we can save our child's life by acting proactively. In the recent months, multiple cases of heart failures in children have shocked us. We are still in the trauma how a child just merely 3 years old, 8 years old can have a heart attack. It is not a heart attack. There's a difference between heart attack and a cardiac arrest. Heart attack is stoppage of blood flow to the heart due to cholesterol. But cardiac arrest or heart failure is maybe due to many other reasons like electrical disturbances or congenital diseases, like doctor says by birth the child is having certain defects or structural defects. But it is not a heart attack. Let's look into some of the recent cases, heartbreaking cases, which makes us feel that we need to act upon it as quickly as possible. Recently, Chamarajanagar in Karnataka, a girl, 8 years old girl, nearly 8 years old girl, she died due to cardiac arrest. She had no prior symptoms, nothing. She was a healthy child. Again, after some days, we saw a case in Gujarat. Same 8 years old girl. While going to class, she entered the school. The clipping is from same video, same CCTV footage. Again, I don't want to mention child's name. The family is totally devastated. This is the second case. Again, we have one more case. 14 years old boy. He died due to cardiac arrest during the sports practice. There's one more girl from the same region just a week before that. She expired due to cardiac arrest. Recently in Gujarat, a 12-year-old boy, he collapsed. And 20 years old two young men, they also collapsed due to cardiac arrest. It is quite alarming for us to see such young people dying at such young age due to cardiac arrest. There was one girl in Palnadu, Andhra Pradesh in 2024. She also had no medical history, and 17 years old girl, she expired due to cardiac arrest. The cases are not only in India. In developed countries like Japan, we saw a 17-year-old girl in Japan. She suffered cardiac arrest due to glucose intolerance and obesity, and there were other reasons which were like rarely seen at that age. And after Japan, we saw in Vietnam also 4-year-old boy. So let's hear this clip. This is from doctor. I have written the sources from where I've got this. Watch the video till end and do subscribe the channel if you have not done it. And please give me in the comment section, have you taken any action after watching this video or not? Okay, let's go back to the video and find out why do children suffer from cardiac arrest at this young age.
But in children, it's totally different. In children, these are not heart attacks. This is not blocked arteries. Commonly, these are conditions of congenital abnormalities which may not have been diagnosed at this time, which could have been earlier on examination picked up on an echo. Some of these children have structural abnormalities. A sudden death running in the family is one of the hints around all this. There's also conditions which make the heart go very fast or very slow, and they run in families. And therefore, again, these are electrical disturbances which are passed down into families. But in this girl, there was also a report that she had recent pneumonia and she had a chest infection and fever. Because one of the causes of sudden cardiac arrest, as you know, is viral infection or myocarditis, which is a virus affecting the heart muscle, affecting the conduction system of the heart, causing electrical disturbances, which can lead to cardiac arrest. Similar to what we saw during COVID times. COVID was a virus. We said it affected the heart, it caused arrhythmias, and it caused sudden death. So we have a number of reasons. There could be arteries which are abnormally arising,
Right.
which suddenly lead to cardiac arrest. So the causes of a cardiac arrest in children is not a heart attack. It's usually these congenital or acquired inflammatory processes and electrical abnormalities which lead to a sudden cardiac arrest, as we saw in this child.
Now let's understand from doctor's point of view how cardiac arrest in children can be detected and prevented at the earliest.
So I do believe that every child should have an echocardiogram. An echocardiogram picks up many of the abnormalities which we call of structural or congenital abnormalities which go unnoticed till they get very symptomatic. So every child should have an echocardiogram. The second issue is that if there's a history of sudden death or a cardiac arrest in the family, which could actually be in the father, in the mother, brothers, sisters, there are many disorders which are passed congenitally. Thirdly, a simple EKG would pick up many of these abnormalities. So echo and ECG are two simple tests which pick up most of these abnormalities. Finally, you're right, no symptom should go unnoticed. Palpitations, sweating, dizziness, breathlessness, any form of chest pain should always be investigated by simpler investigations first.
As parents, we have few red flags to watch out for. Chest pain in kids, fainting after physical activity, shortness of breath even after resting also, and family history of sudden cardiac. Dear parents, today's video was not easy to make. Me being a mother, it's not easy. So what I'm trying to convey through video is we can prevent the upcoming tragedy taking certain actions. So let's go ahead and take some actions. Let's go for the ECG checkup or what the doctors are suggesting, and follow a good diet and follow a good sleep pattern, and kindly involve your child in some physical activity, because that's must and should for this growing up years. So with this happy note, I would like to thank every subscriber who has watched my video till now, and thank you so much for staying with me till now.